Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, Avalanche, and Doge in that order. And guys, first we're going to start on the Bitcoin daily chart. And we hit our targets up to the upside here. We talked about this area being a possible, well, yesterday I talked about in yesterday's video, possibly seeing this 37,600 to 37,200 area. We got the nice bounce. In my video, I drew something up like this where we could come up here, actually come maybe even a little bit higher, and then test this area. What am I seeing now? Well, we're getting rejected at our trend. So let's see if this area does break at a daily candle closing above this 40,800 area. If we could do that, then yeah, I would like to see this 42, or actually, where are we? Right here, 41,500 or 41,600 area. If we could create something there, then maybe we could push back up to this 43,000. And if we can get back above this 43,000, and above this 44, then we could be looking for a lot higher move, even up to this level here of our fib. Let's see if we can zoom out. Even up here at this 55 to 56 area. Well, at 48 too. We had this 48,000, which was a big area. We could see it off my Gartley pattern here. But yes, so let's see. This is what we're looking for the upside. But I'm still thinking that we're going to see some more of that downside based on the bigger time frames. The daily looks good, but the 5-day and the weekly not looking so great. So yeah, so we could see some downside here, unless we could, especially if we get break a new weekly above this 43,000. Yeah, then we could, especially by the end of the week. Because if you guys watch my video from yesterday, we talked about the monthly candle. If you guys watch that video from yesterday, you guys will understand this one. And look at Doge, guys. You couldn't play this any better. Look at this one. This was the move of the day for me. We had the alarm set here, right? We talked about potentially once we broke this 50-day coming down and testing this 12. Look at the area we tested, guys. To the T. Look at that. I mean, you can't get any better. Once it hit this area, it was go time. Okay? What happened from there, guys? Awesome trade to the upside. Boom. 40% in one day. Let's go, Doge. Let's go, Doge. Thank you, Elon Musk. Thank you, Elon Musk. Let's go. Okay, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. Crushed it on Doge. Trade of the day. This was an easy one. You set your alarm here. We talked about hitting this. I said, look for this $12,000 or 12 cent bounce right here. We had this circled. You guys can watch that video from yesterday. Look for a bounce here and then a potential big move to the upside. And to our 17 mark. We got up to our 17 mark. We talk about this 17 area being a big rejection zone. Well, we got rejected there. So what do I want to see for Doge? Well, we want to see a daily candle closing out of this trend above 17. We talked about actually above the 200, coming in right around the 1750. We want to see 2 daily candles closing above there. Then we could push to these higher term time frames to the 20, to the 26, 27 area, and possibly even up here, okay, at 51 and 53. Now, if we do continue to the downside, let's just see if this 50-day moving average holds up, coming in right around the 1350 mark, okay? So let's see if that holds up. If that can hold up as support, then yeah, we could keep moving to the upside. But this was an easy, guys, we called this yesterday, easy trade, awesome. That was the trade of the day on our charts. 40%. Congratulations if anybody got that move. Good on you. Good on you. All right. Now we're going to go back to Bitcoin. Actually, we talked about Bitcoin. We're going to move on to Ethereum. Ethereum, look at this, guys. Hit our target from yesterday's video as well. All I did to this chart here, I just added the fib. It was very simple. We just took this. We'll lock it in to make it easier. Took this high, this low, boom, got our fib, hit our fib perfect. That's it. Simple, easy. We talked about this higher range on the daily getting rejected. So far, that's what we're doing. So now let's see. I'm sorry. This is the 12-hour. Let's go to the daily. I apologize about that. Oh, daily, same thing. We talked about the 50-day moving average, guys. Remember this in yesterday's video. Watch yesterday's video. You guys can see. I don't know why that popped up. Let's see. 50-day moving average right here. Okay. We talked about rejection here in this zone. We got both of them. Rejection here, rejection here. I still want to see a daily candle closing above here. Two, a daily candle and then confirmation of holding it above this 3,040 or 3,000, let's say 50 area. All right, for more upside. To the downside, let's just see if this trend, we've been bouncing off this trend. Look at our trend. Trend is our friend. Look, boom, boom, boom. We wicked it. Never got any candles closing under here. If we see a candle closing under here and getting rejected the following day for confirmation, then I'd be looking at 27 to 26, or even these areas right here that we have in our boxes, 2550, excuse me, to 2400 to even the 2160 on the weekly. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Matic. Well, Matic, we were this chart we were actually. Well, we played it out here, but then we fell a little farther. We did not have this. We had 25. It got down to 26. So we were about a penny off there. To the upside, we had 35 and it went up to 36. So we were a penny off on that too as well. So, but let's see if that 25 holds up. And let's to the upside, I still want to see a daily candle closing above 145. If we could do that on a 2-day, actually 2-day candle closing, then I would look for more upside. Until then, we could be looking at these downside levels. Short term, on the daily, well, this is not a bad candle here, but this needs to flip around and start going green pretty soon here, or this could get ugly. Okay, we could see more downside. But this is a kind of a reversal candle, but it could go either way, guys. It could go to the downside or the upside. So right now we don't have confirmation on either. We're stuck in no man's land on this trade. So yeah, would I leave this alone right now? Probably until we get confirmation of closing under. See how we wicked it? We always talked about. Look at this, guys. Look at yesterday's video. Watch it. We talked about wicking this 133 area. We never got a candle closing under there. We just wicked it. Wicked it. Even right here, wicked it. Okay. If we get any kind of candle closing under there, then I'd be looking for that downside on a daily candle, guys. So that won't happen for another 21 hours and 56 minutes. Okay. So Cardano, we're going to move on to Cardano. Look at this. Hit our area perfect. This was my area of concern. I had all three of these lines marked for our area. All I did was just draw that box up for you. Make it a little easier. Same kind of setup as Matic. And look, guys, oh no, we already talked about this 50-day. We still want to get above this 50-day moving average, but we got our wick down, wick up. And now let's see if this solid candle can stay above here. If we get a candle closing, a daily candle closing, especially under this, let's just say 87 to 86 area on a 2-day close, then I'd be looking for this lower target again, coming in right around 82 to 81, and maybe even lower down here at this 78 to 77 area. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. Solana, same thing, guys. Look what happened. We got rejected at the 50-day, got rejected at the 50-day. We talked about it in yesterday's video. Look, we bounced off the 95 again. Actually, it was 94. We were 50 cents off on this move. But guys, if you bought, I mean, come on. If you bought even at 95, you still got the move. So, but Doge was the move, guys. Come on, that was the easiest move. I mean, I had that on Twitter, stock tweets, you name it. You go on stock tweets, you go on anything I was on. You even watched my video yesterday. I talked about that Doge bounce. Look for that area. Great opportunity, guys. I hope you guys got it. That was easy money. But here we want to see a daily candle closing, a 2-day. I'm sorry. 2 days always. 2 days above this 50-day moving average, coming in right around 102. And then I'd really like to see us get some kind of 2-day candle closing above this 106 area. That's still a big area for me. Okay. To the downside, let's see if this 95 holds up. If we get a daily candle or 2-day candle closing under here, then we can look at these lower levels at 89, 86, 84, and then this really low level that we were at back here in March earlier this year, where we were at 77 to 80, to that range. Okay. That's what I'm looking at. Solana, Shib Army, Shib Nation. Look what happened, guys. How did we do this? This is incredible. 2250 I had. I mean, we were decimals off of this one. Then we hit our upside target, the 50-day moving average. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. What was the trade on that one? Boom, boom, boom. 13%. Not bad. But yeah, now we fell back under. I still want to see. Actually, I'm sorry. That's not the daily. Or there we go. I'm sorry. I apologize. What's going on here? Sorry. I'm all discombobulated. I'm sorry, guys. We wicked down to my area here, and then we actually, you know what? I should have had this. Why didn't I have this? Guys, I will admit, this one was on me. I should have had this high based on this right here. I should have had this actually because I didn't trade this, guys. I traded Doge. It was the easier setup. Um, I do apologize right there. I mean, how can I miss that for you guys? Oh man, I feel a little disappointed in myself right now. I apologize, Shib Army, Shib Nation. We've had our 1,000% moves on my channel. This channel is not even a year old. I'm still getting used to YouTube, and I missed that one. I never miss these levels. I do apologize to Shib Army, Shib Nation. You know I love all you guys. Um, that one was on me. We had the bottom and we missed that top. So now what do we want to see? Well, we want to see some kind of daily candle closing, a 2-day actually. I keep saying daily, but we want 2 days at least closing above this 2450 area. If we could do that, we could probably see more upside. To the downside, well, 2250, and then you see my 3 levels to the downside. The 2350, the 2311, and that 2250. And if we get any lower in there, then we got my 21 level sitting right here. Okay. Avalanche. Avalanche, how much time we got left? Oh, we're only 12 minutes in. Avalanche, guys, very simple. Look what happened, guys. For my target yesterday, we talked about this 68 to 64 area being a possible bounce. We got right into this box. I almost had it. We had 66.87 and we got down to 67. So we were so close on that one. But look, you buy these general ranges. So and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But this is what I would do here in this situation. If I was taking this trade, I would have bought in here. Then we would have sold right up at our 72 mark that we talked about resistance. Okay. Or 73. I apologize. Well, 72 to high, it's high 72, 73 mark. And that's exactly where we hit. So another easy trade for you guys. If you guys would have took that on Avalanche. Very simple. So now what do we want to see? Well, let's go to the daily because I'm on. It keeps going. I must have put all my charts on the 12-hour for some reason. Excuse me. So, well, we still want to get above this 81 area to look bullish again. 2-day candle closing above 81, and we can push up to this 85. Short term, I would like to see some kind of daily candle closing above this 74, 75 area. And then slowly work our way up to that 80. To the downside, let's see if we don't get any kind of candles closing, especially under 70, then we could see this 68 and 64. And if we get any kind of daily candles closing under there, then we could be looking at this 56 or even 48 area. Okay, if it gets really ugly. I don't know if it's going to happen yet, but we do got to be prepared for these things if it does happen. All right. Doge, we already talked about Doge. Awesome move. We want to see this 15 hold up. We talked about this 15 acting as resistance. Hold on. Let me draw this up. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see here. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. Right in this area. And look where it hit. Right in that area. So, yeah, that 15, just that 15. Let's see if that holds. if you get some kind of higher term time frame closing under there, maybe a 2-day, then yes, I would be looking for this 50-day moving average to hold up. To the upside, I want to see us get above this 200-day, like we talked about, 2 days closing above there, and then yeah, we could make a nice move to that 2138 area. All right, so I think that's it for tonight's video. Much love to all you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Show me love. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you sub to my channel. Hit the bell. Hit the all so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll put my link to Twitter, stock tweets in there. You guys can check out my stock tweets. I posted that Doge chart a long time. It was actually they canceled my one stock tweet account. I had thousands of followers on it, and they suspended it. So I created a new one. So you'll see it on there, Moondog Trading YouTube. That's what it's called. But listen, much love to all you guys. I appreciate it. You guys watching my channel, and I'll do another video for you tomorrow. Peace out.